Hello, I'm Kia Govind, and I am going to explain the topic linkers and adapters. We're going to cover the topics about introduction, about linkers, about adapters, and the similarities and differences between both linkers and adapters. Introduction. So, an important aspect for DNA cloning is to possess sticky ends. And these sticky ends are created whenever the target and the vector are both treated by the same restriction enzyme or with different enzymes, leading to the production of sticky ends. But sometimes the target DNA is blunt ended, and therefore we'll have to use linkers and adapters in order to create the sticky ends or the cohesive ends. Linkers. Linkers are synthetic, short, and known double-stranded oligonucleotide sequences. They possess blunt end on both the sides and also possess restriction sites. These linkers, once they are ligated with the target DNA, they are supposed to be treated with restriction enzyme in order to form or produce sticky ends. So there is one drawback with these linkers, which is when the target DNA also has the same restriction site as to that of the linker. Examples of linkers could be BAMH1 and EcoR1. In this diagram, we can clearly see how linkers possessing both blunt ends are being attached to the target DNA molecule, and then they're further being cut by the restriction enzyme in order to produce sticky ends. Adapters. Adapters are also synthetically synthesized double-stranded oligonucleotide sequences. Adapters possess a blunt end and a sticky end. Blunt end will bind to the blunt end of the target DNA, and sticky end will help join two molecules of the DNA. This also has a disadvantage where the sticky ends of both adapters can bind together to form a dimer. To prevent this, it's treated with alkaline phosphate after the attachment with the target treatment. In this picture, we can clearly see the adapters possessing one blunt end and one sticky end being attached to the target DNA. We find similarities between linkers and adapters, a few of which are linkers and adapters are both double-stranded short oligonucleotide sequences as discussed earlier. They carry internal restriction sites. Moreover, they both are chemically synthesized DNA molecules. They can link two DNA molecules. After ligation, both linkers and adapters can be restricted with the restriction enzyme in order to produce a sticky end. Now, coming to differences. A linker is a chemically synthesized short oligonucleotide duplex with two blunt ends, whereas an adapter is a chemically synthesized short oligonucleotide duplex with one sticky end and one blunt end. Adapters can form dimers, whereas linkers do not form dimers. Thank you.